let me show you guys how I crimp my hair. Alright, here we go. First things first, I am doing a voiceover because I am not about to get copyrighted by my baby Drake playing in the background. But I am using the Bedhead turquoise hair waver, not the purple one. It has to be the turquoise one because if you use a purple one, it's not going to be the same. But basically, once you start, it's honestly pretty self-explanatory. You just have to clamp it, and then wherever the last dent was, that's where you would continue going down. Also, if you see that there's a little bit of smoke coming out, that's just our product, no worries. So y'all better be using that heat protectant for real. Once I get to about this part of my head, I try to start the clamp pretty close to the root, just so that when I go back and lay the top section on top of this section, it kind of acts as a little cushion and it gives me more volume. So just try to get it as close to the root as you can. I also do tend to touch the ends a lot while I have it clamped in one area, because you want to make sure that it's as smooth as possible for the best results. Also, I am very much aware I need a haircut desperately, but not too much on me. I'm about to get one this week, okay? I just be holding on to them strangely inches, girl. Okay, so once you're done, go ahead and fluff your hair up. That's really how I get the most volume, by just kind of messing with it, running my fingers through it. Usually I would leave it like this, but this specific day I was actually going to do a high ponytail, which is my favorite with these curls. Ideally, I would do this slick ponytail like the second or third day that I've already had my hair waved like this, because it does work better when your hair is a little bit dirty. But for this day specifically, I was going out, so this is how I was planning to wear my hair, and that's why I did it this way. So I just figured I would show you guys how I do this ponytail. Really, for this hairstyle, you just want to make sure that you're prioritizing the straight parting in the middle. And really, the trick to this hairstyle is just keep brushing and keep hitting on that hairspray. Your hair basically has to be like a rock, okay? Okay, so once you have that hair laid, you want to go in and basically fluff up that ponytail. Just give yourself a lot of volume, and remember, hairspray is your best friend. So if you see any flyaways, just make sure you snatch those right back up. And if you're satisfied with how fluffy it is in the back and how the hair is laying, go ahead and put that hairspray on there. Girl, no one's gonna be touching your hair, so you better spray it up.